Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Tech Tips for Everybody. And today we're going to be doing a video on the best ways to get views on your YouTube videos. So this is going to be another YouTube tutorial, and it's going to be very helpful on how to get more views on your YouTube videos, because I am guessing that a lot of you guys have YouTube channels, and want to know how to get more views on them. And so here we go. The best ways to get more YouTube views. And the first way is to make appealing thumbnails. And so thumbnails are pretty much the picture that the viewers see before they click on your video. And it's kind of like a make or break thing, because if they like your thumbnail, then they are more likely to click on it. But if they don't like your thumbnail and it's kind of boring, they will probably not click on it. One of my thumbnails for a video, just as an example, is this one right here. Not sure if you can see it that well. But it pretty much is it was from a video that I made on how to use a green screen on iMovie. It's a great video. If you haven't watched it already, you should definitely check it out. But on the actual thumbnail, it shows an example of what it might look like for a finished product. So that might show the viewers a little like sneak peek almost of what they're going to get. The second thing that really helps give your YouTube videos more views is to make your titles interesting, because when they search up, YouTube is like a search engine, so if they search up what they want to see, they will see all these different videos about that topic, and they have to look through them. This goes back to the thumbnails too. They will look at the picture and they will look at the title most likely. And you need to make sure that your titles are good so that they will click on your video. And so here is an example of one of my titles. It says website tutorial, website making with no coding. So the part that says no coding kind of makes it seem like it's very easy, which it is very easy. If you haven't watched that video, also do that. It's super fun to make websites. And that's pretty much what this shows. And a lot of people want to make websites, and so this is an interesting title, I would say. Then third and final thing is to make unique videos. So there are so many people making YouTube videos these days, and if there are so many different types of videos, and a lot of people make the same types of videos. They're gaming videos, how-to videos, cooking videos, all of those things. And if you make unique videos, then it'll be more likely that when people search up, not super unique, that no one will search up what you're saying, but what your videos are on, but kind of unique so that not everyone is doing those videos. Okay, so that was a quick tutorial on how to make YouTube videos or customize your YouTube videos to make more people view them. These are great ways, and I highly suggest to use them if you have a YouTube channel and haven't been doing these things. One more thing about the thumbnails is that what YouTube does is they automatically give you thumbnails. To change it, you have to go to YouTube Studio, either on your phone or on a computer. I think I showed you that in the YouTube Studio tour video, which was a great video also, if you haven't watched that. And that was super helpful. That video, if you haven't watched it already, you should. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already to get notified when I post a new video. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Also, comment down below what you want to see next and what kinds of tutorials you want to see. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.